Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay, so we had been talking about the render network, and what I thought would be kind of fun and a little different is to actually show you how it works. So the first thing is I created some little scene. I put it at high render quality so that it would take some time. It took about 3 to 4 hours. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can try this on the render network. The first step is you have to export to ORBX, which is their file format. And I'm going to go in there and do that. And I don't know how much of this you'll be able to see. So I am giving it a name and saving it. And so it's showing the results, and we'll see what we get. Hopefully we'll get the whole thing. And tells you to check. Let me see what, let me show you. Let's look at the instructions, because they are not the most clear. Let me go here. And so, yeah, they tell you to check the documentation, which is, so we exported it. So they have you do that. Let me try something. I'm going to go back, and let me make it so you can at least see part of this, because I am going to do it again. Okay. Because I was not happy with what we got here. Okay. So I'm going to click all of these, and I'm going to see if I can do it again and see if it'll let me. I've been finding that's a little funky. So the plugin crashed. So we're going to start Cinema again, and hopefully it won't crash this time. But I can tell you Octane has a reputation of that it's not as stable as some of the other render engines, especially when I'm trying to record and so on. So right now I don't want to send, so I do have my and before I do this, I'm going to check my render settings. Okay, so it's set correctly. Okay, let's see, make sure you can see at least part of it. Oh, I see. Which one is this? Okay, well, this looks like it is there. I don't know why you're getting that, but let's try to, all right, that should help. Okay, so back to this. What we got to do is, I'm going to bring up the Octane dialog, and I'm going to bring up the live viewer window, and I'm going to say file, export to animated package, and let's cancel that so I can click on all these and start my export. Fine. Save. Yes. Oh, no. I had it set to the wrong directory. So let's go where I want it and save. Yes. And it's starting. And what it's doing now, as you can see, it's bringing, I want to make sure that it at least somewhat looked like what it should. You can see it kind of moving here. I'm looking at the viewport, which you cannot see and isn't going to really help you much. But what it's doing is it's creating an ORBX file. And then it will hopefully let me upload it. Theoretically, it's supposed to let you do it from, if you hit cloud. And is it done? Check your Octane location from Octane settings. Okay, I'm not sure. Oh, okay. It's telling me that, but I don't know what they mean. So let's go here and send scene, see if it'll let me send it. No. So we're going to do plan B here. And I believe it may be this. Yes. Okay. So this is we're going to load in here and hopefully open. No. And, well, let's look at this. It looks like it has everything. And my geometry floor blocks. Okay, so let's see. See if we can upload scene. I'm hoping that it shows that it's uploaded. So let me just check here. Oh, they make it really easy. Let me show you this. I got this ORBX file. Bring this back up so you can see it. Go through all this thing, upload, and it looks like, see. Think. There you go. I think all I need to do is drag and drop here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just that. And then I'm going to have to purchase some let's see. Okay. Okay. Looks like I'm going to have to purchase some. I'm going to do $2 just to make sure I have. Okay, so we have the scene uploaded. I have my tokens, and I'm going to do here create new job and Octane renderer. So we got all frames. Where does it say? You know what? I'm going to do HD and continue. Let's look at the advanced options. So I'm going to say test job and continue. I'm going with tier 3. I'm going to do pre-approved in this case and continue. Okay, I have an Octane bench score. I'm going to see if I can show you that. Hopefully you're seeing, yeah, you're seeing good, 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 good. Let's see. There is a program called Octane Bench. Oh, I think I know why. I think this was in my, trying to remember my numbers. I think it was like 172. Yeah, I'm just going to guess here. I think it's like 172. So we'll get an estimate. Okay, so now you can see the cost estimate is 78 render credits, and this is economy. Okay, so it may, and now I just send the job. And it's now in progress. So this is essentially how the render network works, and you can see that it allows you to send the jobs, and you can see it picks it up pretty quickly. Now I did economy, and you can see for 90 frames it was under $2. So what I'm seeing is this could be very interesting. It's cheaper. I can tell you a render farm would cost you more than this. So this could be practical for final renders for artists who or people who don't want to spend a huge amount of money. I mean, I'm doing this on a laptop that has one GPU. The people who are really serious could have multiple machines with multiple cards in them. So, it really depends what your use case. You can see it as you're watching here, it's going. But this is a very practical use for the blockchain. It's sort of a win-win situation. I get my render done quickly, even though I'm doing this for an example. And the person who is running the nodes, they make money. So it's sort of a win-win. Again, if you have the resources to invest in a good machine, you can set up one of these nodes. You have to sign up. Once they say yes, you can see you can make some good money here, and we went through that. So anyway, hopefully this has been helpful. I know it's a little bit not what we usually do, but I thought it was so cool I wanted to bring it to you and go through the process. So if this works with the Octane renderer, they said it may work with others, but this is an Otoy product. And right now it's using the Ethereum. It's using the like a tier 2 over Ethereum, and we talked about that a little bit. And it looks like they're going to be moving to Solana, but I have not read any details or how that's going to work. I suspect from this perspective, from the artist perspective, he or she who wishes to get their render done, they're not going to probably see much of a difference. But it could make it, well, they could see things be cheaper, hopefully, and quicker. But in terms of the user interface, I suspect they're going to try to keep it the same as to not confuse people. So anyway, again, thank you for watching. And I know it's a little different, but hopefully you've enjoyed it. And I will speak to you next time. Take care.